Forgotten username recovery failed on Moomoo Fix. You're trying to recover your Moomoo username, but no matter what you enter, the system keeps saying account not found. Don't panic, this is a common issue, and the fix is easier than you might think. The problem usually comes from using the wrong region, phone number format, or email variation. Let's walk through how to solve it. Start by confirming which version of Moomoo you signed up with. The app has regional platforms like Moomoo, Moomoo Singapore, and Moomoo Australia. Each one stores logins separately. If you're trying to recover your username on the wrong regional page, it simply won't work. Next, if you registered using your phone number, make sure to include your correct country code. Many users forget this and end up searching the wrong database. For example, a US number should include one before the rest of the digits. If you signed up using your email, double-check for typos or alternate spellings. Sometimes the recovery fails because the registered email had an extra dot or use an old address. Try searching your inbox for Moomoo welcome or verification emails to confirm the exact one. Still no luck? Open the Moomoo app, tap Help Center, and reach out to support. Provide your full name, linked email or phone number, and any account details you remember. I'll verify your identity and send your username securely. It's worth noting that Moomoo usernames are automatically generated during sign-up, so most people forget them easily. But the good news is once you recover it, you can reset or rename it in your settings to something easier to remember. The surprising truth? Most recovery failures happen simply because people are on the wrong regional site. Once you're on the right one and your contact details match, recovery works instantly.